How to make money with OfferVault CPA marketing platform. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I show you how to make money with OfferVault step by step. I'll explain for people who don't know what OfferVault is and how to use it. Also understanding how OfferVault simplifies the process of searching for affiliate offers by centralizing them in one platform. So for OfferVault is an affiliate marketing tool that can help you find affiliates and cost per action CPA offers. It's a search engine that scouts over plus 60 networks. It's a tool for affiliate marketers and bloggers that are looking for ad campaign that they can promote. So come guys, let's take a look at the website to understand more. So here we have the website offervault.com. You'll have here the top of the website, login, register, advertise, added your network, help, free training. Free training is like to YouTube channel of OfferVault website, and then we have help, added your network and advertise if you want to add your offer in OfferVault and register login. This homepage, as you can see, there is a lot of offers and the commission that you'll get for each sale. And here we have the countries, if the offer is targeted to a specific country, and finally the network providing this offer. So you'll have here a search bar if you want to search for a specific product or network. Besides, you can specify the results obtained through the filters that mean identify the offers from a specific networks here, or specific categories here, or you can just select the country to know if the offers is working in your country or not. For example, I select a specific country, for example, Andorra. So as you can see, the offers will appear. Moving to how to sign up on the website, you can just click here on register. As I mentioned before, it's located at the top of homepage of the website. Then you'll need to fill out these fields, your first name, your last name, your email, your password. Then you confirm your password and you select your country. If you have a Skype account, you write it here. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can submit without it. So returning to our offers, precisely choose the offer you want to promote. To more understand, I'll choose for example a specific category. You can choose the network or the country. So you can just here select any category. We can choose for example music. As you can see, every single offer here is or have a lot of information for you to like to access, and it's help you to select or evaluate to the one suits you more. The network will ask you to sign in. You're not exactly signing in OfferVault, you're just signing in this particular network over here, just to which allows you to do the job. So for example, we'll click on the first one. As you can see, there's a lot of information here. There is the title or the offer name, and there's more details here. We have the offer name, payout, preview, categories, network, last update, and countries. Here we have for the payout is almost $90 per lead, and here we have the preview landing page. So click here just to know how its landing page is, and then Moving to run offer. If you want to get the job, just click here on run offer, and then we'll get to website or the website network, and then you need just to fill this information. If you want to start this job, company or affiliate name, email, password, confirm your password, your phone, and here we have who are you. If you are a network media buyer or website owner, then you select, and then you need to um finish these steps, and then you will start. Just to let you know that when someone completes a specific cost per action, like for example submitting an email, phone number, when someone completes using your link or your page or coming from your traffic, you'll then end up making money. That's how basically CPA marketing works. But how do we attract the largest number of customers? The way you present the product is what attracts you what attracts your customers. For example, if you have important number of followers in social media, that will help you to reaching out to your customers. If you don't have that, you can use Google Ads campaign to for marketing, using Pinterest for finding the picture of product, and ChatGPT to describe your product. And moving to the website of Revolt Wizard, the homepage, we have here other information that offers have here. Of course, is this stuff is related to offers. Here we have affiliate networks. As you can see, there is the description of networks and the number of offers that the network have, and then here we have pay per call offers, and the mobile offers and traffic sources. As you can see, there is a lot of information. There is the name of the offers and the types, mobile, if it's, for example, targeting or not, if it's self-serve or not. So this is a lot of information related to the offers that can help you to choose. So, for example, there is a lot of things that you'll help you to be more specific in your offers, and this is it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.